And with 2020 in the rearview mirror, our first Alert 5 weather team looking back at this past year of wild southern Colorado weather. Drought, wildfire, record heat helped dominate the headlines in 2020. But how did it compare to years past? Meteorologist Alan Rose is live in the Springs with his year in review for us. Alan.
Hi, Elizabeth. Well, in true Colorado fashion, we saw a little bit of everything weather-wise over the past year, from big February snows to some destructive hailstones out here in the middle of August. But really the bigger story that I think we'll remember 2020 for is the warm and dry conditions we all saw relative to the norm. So with that, let's get to the year in review. Starting in the Colorado Springs area, we're talking about records here that date back to 150 years. And you can see the average temperature in 2020 was nearly 52 degrees. That puts us almost 3 above the normal. And that now goes down as the 5th warmest on record. Total precip was pretty abysmal this year, just under 10 inches of rainfall and snowmelt for the Colorado Springs Airport. That puts us more than 6.5 inches below normal, and that equates to the 14th driest year on record. And surprisingly enough, snowfall, we did really well here with over 40 inches, 42 to be exact. That was above normal thanks to a robust February, March, and April that equated to 72% of the year's total snowfall. Now in Pueblo, we also saw a similar story here with very warm and dry conditions. Our annual temperature there was 54.6. That was the 9th warmest on record. Total precip just about 5 inches, a little more than that. That was the 3rd driest year on record in Pueblo. And for total snowfall, didn't do as well as the Springs here, picking up just under 29 inches. Now, it's a little too soon to tell what 2021 will bring, but if La Nina is any indication, things are likely to get worse in terms of the drought before they get better. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Meteorologist Alan Rose, News 5.